Ramadan Kareem. One of the Islamic five pillars is the practice of fasting. For Muslim, Ramadan is an extraordinary time of the year. In this holy month, Muslims will go without all the pleasure of the body during the daylight. Fast being when the first light down touches the horizon and ends with sunset. In this holy month, people are busy in prayers. It's not only the month of fasting, but also the month of striving to be free of lying, cheating. It's the month of self-control for all evil deeds. It's time to go for deeds. It's time to the charity. In this month's reward is 70 times. One good deed gives 70 rewards. In the last 10 days of Ramadan, Laylatul Qadr occurs. Muslims also do i'tikaf in the last 10 days of Ramadan. That month ends the feast of Eid al-Fitr, celebrate on 1st Shawwal. Thank you.